A former railroad depot transformed into a modern home. Let's step inside this piece of history. Nestled on over 5 acres in Arkansas, this unique property blends early 1900s charm with thoughtful modern updates. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the repurposed materials that highlight the home's original character to the recent improvements that make it move-in ready. City. Upstairs, the property features additional living space with plenty of room for bedrooms, offices, or creative projects. A walk-in attic provides valuable storage, while double-pane Energy Star windows and a new HVAC system ensure energy efficiency year-round. Step outside to enjoy the expansive 5-acre lot, perfect for hobbies, gardening, or outdoor gatherings. A 3-bay carport and powered workshop provide additional functionality for projects, storage, or creative pursuits. The newly constructed porch offers a welcoming space to relax, soak in the surroundings, and enjoy the open Arkansas landscape. This home tells a story of history and transformation, offering a rare opportunity to own a property with character and modern convenience. Whether you're looking for a family home, a hobby retreat, or a creative space, this Arkansas gem delivers on every level. Come explore the possibilities and imagine the life you can build here.